defining operational strength or building operational strength within our environment. Today, we're going to start with servers. We're just going to look at blade servers here I'm drawing out and rack servers. Why do we need this? We need to do it to manage our operational cost, our security, and our general operational strength within our environment. So we're going to focus on these three areas: security, cost, and operations. Let's start with security. We have patch management, audit and compliance, and vulnerability management. Do you know what you're doing in these areas? We have cost. Remember, these are all direct and indirect costs, but some costs, like things like network operating system management, application management, operating system deployment, reporting, compliance, provisioning, all of these things drive our costs within our environments and also our security profile. And then, of course, operations, hardware management, remote management, customization, drivers and firmware, lights out, BIOS updates, alerts, monitors, the genealogy of our virtual machines. All of these things are important components that we need to have in place to really build operational strength within our environment. So all of this, how do we get started? Well, there are three areas that we can actually get started with. So do we take this, and many may have you believe that we got to go to the cloud. The cloud's going to answer this solution. But let's maybe have a little more structure in where do you or I get started with this. And let's use an illustration with Lego blocks because we all understand how they build together. So the first step is we have to discover and know what assets are in our environment. We have to have a complete picture of those assets. And then we have to define what the need is with those assets. What are they doing in our environment? What would we like them to do? What automation do they provide? And then we have to simply take action. Now, I know that's easy. It's not that easy. And it takes months, years for some organizations. But this is how the three basic steps that we can get started to take action within our environments today. Many companies out there have these tools available. Check with your OEM. I know, for example, HP has a great set of software designed specifically to help with these challenges.